In this lecture, I will explain what is the variable separable method. Variable separable method. How to solve the given differential equations by using variable separable method means, in this you have to follow 3 steps. Okay, for example, if the given differential equation is dy by dx is equals to f1 of x into f2 of y. In this differential equation, f1 of x is the function of x and f2 of y is the function of y. f1 of x is the function of x, f2 of y is the function of y. In this variable separable method, for solving the given differential equation, you have to follow 3 steps. Okay? The first step is you have to separate the x terms into one side and y terms into another side. In LHS side, you have dy by dx. dy is as it is. If f2 of y goes into LHS side, it becomes division is equals to f1 of x is in right side, RHS side, as it is. If dx goes into, it is in LHS side. If it is goes into RHS side, it becomes in multiplication into dx. This is the first step. Okay. In the first step, you have to separate the x terms into one side and y terms into another side. Okay. These total values are in x. These total values are in y. That means the first step is completed. In the second step, take integration on both sides. Take integration on both sides. If you take integration on both sides, then you get this result. Okay. If you take integration on both sides, by using the integrating formulas, you get some result. Okay. At the final result, you have to add plus c in the third step. Okay. Step 3. After taking integration on both sides, you get some result. Okay. You get some final result after integrating these two values. At the last, you have to add plus c. After integrating, you have to add plus c. In the step 3, you get some value. That is the solution of the given differential equation. Okay. In this way, you have to use variable separable method to solve the given differential equation. Okay. This is the given differential equation. By using variable separable method, you have to solve this given differential equation. Okay. What is the first step? In the first step, you have to separate the x terms into one side and y terms into another side. Okay. First, write down the given differential equation as it is. dy by dx is equals to e power x minus y plus x square e power minus y. By simplifying this differential equation, you get some value. dy by dx is equals to e power x minus y means e power x into e power minus y. If you simplify these two terms, again you get e power x minus y. The bases are equal, then you have to add the powers. X square into e power minus y, the second term is as it is. Okay. dy by dx is as it is equals to, in these two terms, you get e power y, you have e power y in this first term, and in the second term also you have e power y minus y. If you take out the common e power minus y, then you get e power x plus e power x plus x square. Okay. dy by dx is equals to e power minus y into e power x plus x square. Okay, what is the first step in variable separable method? You have to separate the x terms into one side and y terms into another side. Okay, if you separate the x terms into one side, y terms into another side, you get one step. Okay, one value dy by, what is the y term in RHS side? E power minus y. Okay, if it is goes into LHS side, it becomes in division. Okay, e power x plus x square is as it is in RHS side. If dx is goes into RHS side, it will become in division. Okay, dy by 1 by e power minus y dy. Sorry. Okay, first you have to simplify this value. 1 by e power minus y dy is equals to e power x plus x square dx. If you observe this total step, you have x terms into one side and y terms into another side. Okay, first step is completed. In the second step, you have to take the integration on both sides. Take integration on both sides. Integral 1 by e power minus y dy is equals to integral e power x dx plus integral x square dx. Okay, 1 by e power minus y means e power integral e power y dy is equals to integral e power x dx plus integral x square dx. Okay, integral e power y, what is the formula? E power y is equals to integral e power x plus integral x square means you get x cube by 3. What is the third step? After integrating these total values, you have to add plus c in the final result. Okay, like this you have to solve the given differential equations by using variable separable method. Okay.